Ever wondered how dogs would look if they were legendary warriors from history? First up, the fearless Shiba Inu as a mighty samurai, honor and discipline in every move. Next, the loyal Labrador Retriever as a bold Viking, ready to sail and conquer. Charging across the steppes, it's the noble Akita Inu as a fierce Mongolian horseman from Africa's battlefields, the sharp and agile Basenji as a proud Zulu warrior, and in the Roman arena, the powerful Maremma sheepdog as a fearless gladiator. Which warrior was your favorite? Tell us below. Subscribe for more epic dogs.